Welcome to Mission Success, a portal to your dreams come true. This is a brief overview of your Mission Success app to get you up and running quickly and easily. When you first open your Mission Success app, you'll be prompted to create your first mission. In this example, we'll be creating a mission to drink more water in order to hydrate ourselves and create a healthier lifestyle. The first thing you do is name your mission. Let's name this one Drink Water. Next, you need to decide how you're going to track your mission. Use a check mark when you want to track every time you have a glass of water, in which case you type glass as a type of value. On the other hand, you might want to be more specific and track the number of ounces that you drink. In this case, you would choose to record a value and use ounces as a type of value. Don't worry about making the right choice now because you can make changes at any time. We'll choose checkmark for this example. Next, choose your goal. Once again, you don't have to choose it now, but for this example, we're going to choose 8 glasses a day. Notice that when we typed glasses as our type of value, it automatically appeared in the goal. Finally, set your reminders. As with your goal, you could do this at any time, but for this example, we're going to choose 8 different times of the day that would be ideal for drinking our glasses of water. Just tap on the first date and choose the date and time that you want your first reminder, then tap away from the date and time to return to the mission tracker. We'll leave the frequency as daily, meaning we want this reminder every day. But if you tap on day, you could choose a variety of frequencies. You could add another reminder simply by tapping on the plus sign and make the necessary changes. When you're ready, tap on the check mark. You'll get the confirmation that you created your mission, and you have a choice of different things you could do at this point. Check them out when you have some time. For now, we're just going to tap on Thanks, I'm ready to track, and you'll see your mission ready to track. The My Mission page is the page you land on each time you open your app. We have 2 samples here, so you can see what it looks like when you have a checkmark type of mission or a record a value type of mission. And simply by swiping to the left, you can make changes to the mission by tapping on the blue rectangle. Let's start tracking our mission. Each time you have a glass of water, simply tap on the check mark, and it will record the date and time you tapped it. In the case of record a value, simply tap on the entry box, enter the number of ounces, and tap on the check mark. You'll see on the left, below the name of your mission, the amount tracked for today. You can check on your results by tapping anywhere on the mission except for the check mark, and you'll be taken to the My Progress page. Here you can see the results of your hard work. You could change the type of graph you view by tapping on Cumulative in order to see the bar graph. You can make notes and save them with a date and time stamp when you tap on the check mark. You can view the details of your entries by tapping on the 3 dots in the circle to the right of the mission name. Here you could delete or add an entry. If you just want to see your notes, tap on Show All Notes. Here you could add, delete, or edit your notes. And that's your brief overview of your Mission Success app. We'll be adding more videos soon to give you more in-depth information about each page and how to take advantage of the power of Mission Success. In the meantime, here's to your Mission Success.